Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So go guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, I posted this signal in the Telegram platform. Okay, so so many people milk the market right from the resistance zone. Of course you can see it went down till it got to the end of the trend. Okay, that's so amazing. It's in the first TP, second TP, and the third TP, so that's so amazing guys. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have for tonight. Okay, this has actually got into the support zone. This is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator. Okay, this actually got to the support zone just where we are saying there is, and of course guys, if it breaks out below this, then it will sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. So for now this is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is boom 500, and of course still on 5 minute time frame. This actually went on uptrend, but it has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to break out below it, so it started a downtrend right from here. So once it breaks out below this particular support region, then it's going to sell more, and we expect it to get to this particular spot. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000. It actually went on downtrend, but right from here it picked up an uptrend which got to an end at this resistance zone. It's unable to go further than this, so it started selling right from there. But if you should notice, it has got into this same support region again. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend and try out this resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very important. So this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, but it is still selling. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is crash 500. It actually went on downtrend and came to an end at this support zone, so it started an uptrend right from here, and of course broke out from this resistance zone, got to a new resistance zone. It had a pullback. We'll be trying it out again. Once it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is volatility 75, and just the way we are seeing it, this has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, but it has got into this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. If it gets to this region, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of the analysis shared there. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.